everybody. Welcome to Better with Brigetta. Today I'm making killer white chicken chili. These are the ingredients you're going to need. Chicken broth, salsa verde, sour cream, cornstarch, chicken, and our seasonings are smoked paprika, oregano, garlic powder, white pepper, cumin. Then you'll need onion, celery, better than bouillon, the chicken base, and Rotel mild. I picked mild, but you could go either way. With hot diced tomatoes and green chilies. I've got cream cheese, tortilla strips, and our navy beans. Now it's time to assemble everything to put it in our crock pot, which I'm going to cook on high for about 4 to 5 hours. Starting with the chicken in the crock pot, it calls for a pound. I have a little more than a pound, but that's going to be just fine. I've already chopped up our onion, so I'm adding that. I have celery, I've already chopped that also. Now the original recipe called for water, but we felt like it needed more flavor, so I have chicken broth. Now I have smoked paprika. I have garlic powder. Cumin, oregano. I know it looks like a lot of ingredients, but it's really going to enhance the flavor. I have white pepper. If you don't have white pepper, you don't want to buy it. Black will be fine. Here's our navy beans, which I have soaked for many hours. You could soak them overnight, or if you forget, like I did the first time I made it, you could cook them on the stove for about 30 minutes. If you don't like navy beans, you could switch them out for other types of beans. And our last ingredient for this step is the better than bouillon flavoring. I'm gonna have to get my spatula to get all that out. Now I'm not going to add salt at this time. I'm going to check it later. After the chicken is cooked, we'll see if we still need salt. I'm going to stir this around a little bit. It's hard to get all this out of there. Okay, got it. So I'm going to check this in about an hour and a half. If the chicken's cooked, then I'm going to go ahead and shred it, which means then after shredding it, I'll put it back in the crock pot and we'll add our final ingredients. All right, we're halfway through the cooking time and our chicken is ready to pull out, and then I'm gonna shred it and I'm gonna add our final ingredients. This recipe was originally made for an Instant Pot. I don't have an Instant Pot, and I feel like more people have a crock pot than they do an Instant Pot. So I adapted it for a crock pot. So I'm going to shred this, and then we'll be back, and then I'm going to add the final ingredients. All right, so I've shredded the chicken. Your other option is to cube it, but I shredded it because that's the way we like it. I'm going to put it back into the crock pot. It smells really good in here with all your seasonings. Okay, let me stir that around, and we're gonna add our other ingredients, and it's gonna continue cooking a little while longer. So we have cream cheese. I've gone ahead and cubed that. I have corn. Okay, these are our tomatoes that were in the can, and our salsa verde. See if I can get it open. Oh, got it. All right, I'm going to stir it together again. Now, since some of these ingredients are cold, it's going to drop the temperature of the crock pot. So I'm going to need it to cook a while longer, warm everything back up. And then we'll decide. If we want to thicken it, we could do a cornstarch and water slurry. If we think it doesn't need to be thickened, then we'll just leave it like it is. Look at that, how colorful. And then we'll serve it up. We'll be back. Okay. Crockpot white chicken chili. It's what's for dinner.
Pretty good smell all throughout the house. Amazing.
Oh my gosh. I stepped outside to do a couple of things and came inside and it was amazing, the smell. I put sour cream on top and these tortilla strips.
Santa Fe style.
Santa Fe style, right? Oh man. Wow. So much better with the chicken broth. First time I did it with just the water, the 2.5 cups of water, it's way better.
Very good.
It's very good. I like it. Oh my gosh.
Nice alternative to regular chili. Mm-hmm. Thank you.
You're welcome. I don't think I've ever made white chicken chili before.
Well, you made it last week.
I mean, besides for this recipe.
In preparation for tonight.
Right. Very good.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Don't forget to like and subscribe. And of course, the recipe will be in the description box right below the video. And sorry, I got some on my face.
We'll see you again next time.
Yep. Be sure to make this one.
Bye.
Bye-bye.